What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name's TJ Watson. This is Watson Outfitters. So today we're going to be doing a beer can chicken. But today we're only going to be using 3 ingredients for ours. We're going to be using the Lowry's garlic salt. We're going to be using the Church Holy Voodoo. And we're going to be using a Modelo Lime and Salt beer. Like I said, we're only going to be using half on one side and half on the other. So alright, so we got the chicken coated, seasoned, everything's good. So now I'm going to show you how to put it in this beer can deal. Goes right in there, crack the top, and man, does that make you salivate? Because it did me. So just get this bad boy and you just stick it right on there, and that is it. And she is ready for the grill. Alright, we'll be back. We got the chicken off, or not off, but it's done. I'm using my trusty probe here and just probe a couple spots just to kind of get a good idea of what Yep, we're golden. Take this bad boy off. I got some heat gloves this time. I don't burn myself. Like the last video, that was pretty hot. Bird right there. Everything's looking nice. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we're also be uploading shorter version of this onto TikTok and to Instagram as well, and YouTube Shorts. So hope you guys have a good night, and as always, man, just get out there and do something. You know, whether cook or try, go outdoors or something, man. Just get out there and do something. Until next time.